Good morning students. Welcome to online class. In the last class, coordinate geometry, 3 formulas completed. Now we continue the remaining formulas. What is completed in the last class? Number 1, first formula, slope m equal to tan theta. Slope m equal to tan theta. That is slope first formula. Slope is a real number, you know. Tan means full form tangent, it belongs to trigonometry. Theta means inclination, it is angle. Suppose, what is the example? Suppose theta equal to 45. What is slope value? Slope is a real number. Theta equal to 45. What is m value? M means slope. Small m represents slope, but not capital M. M equal to tan. What is theta value? 45 degrees. What is tan 45? 1. So that is about first formula. Slope m equal to tan theta. Tan for tangent, it belongs to trigonometry. Theta means inclination, means it is angle. M for slope. Suppose theta equal to 45. Tan 45 according to trigonometry 1. So m value 1. Then second one, slope of the straight line. Slope of, what is the straight line? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You know the condition for straight line. Mod a plus mod b not equal to 0. So what is the slope of the straight line? M equal to m equal to minus a by b. This is slope of the straight line. M equal to minus a by b. What is a? Coefficient of x. What is b? Coefficient of y. So minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Example, slope of 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is, so what is the slope of ax plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is m equal to minus, what is a value? 3, what is b value? 4. So slope becomes minus 3 by 4. Third one about slope. Slope of a x1 y1, first point. General form of first point is a x1 y1 and second point bx2 y2. Second point general form bx2 y2 is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is slope third formula. Example, slope of a 2, 3 and b 4, 5 is m equal to, this is, take the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. First point x1 y1, x1 value 2, y1 value 3. Second point x2 y2, x2 value 4, y2 value 5. Substitute 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 2. 2 by 2 it becomes 1. So these are the 3 formulas belongs to slope. Next about distance. Fourth one about distance. Fourth one, number 4, distance between, distance or length. Distance, length both are same. Distance or length between a x1 y1 and bx2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is distance between 2 points. Distance or length between first point ax1 y1 and second point bx2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Example, find the distance between first point. So let us take the first point A2 comma 3 and B 4 comma 5. So find the distance between A2 comma 3 and B4 comma 5. A2 comma 3 it lies in Q1. B4 comma 5 it lies in Q1. Then procedure, solution. First point A 2 comma 3 x1 y1. Second point B 4 comma 5 x2 y2. Then what is the procedure? AB means distance between 2 points A and B or length of AB. Formula substitute. Root what is x2 4 minus what is x1 2 whole square. What is y2 5 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 2 how much? 2 whole square. 5 minus 3 how much? 2 whole square. 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 root 8. How to write 8? 4 into 2. Then root 4 into root 2. Then it becomes 2 root 2. So this is the procedure to find out distance or length between 2 points. Take the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2, then formula substitute. This is the procedure to find out distance. Then number 5, formula number 5, distance of Px comma y, distance of P, capital P x comma y from the origin. Distance of Px comma y from the origin is, distance of Px comma y from the origin is root x square plus y square. Very simple formula, shortcut formula to find out distance of any point from the origin. Distance of Px comma y from the origin. First point is Px comma y. Second point is origin 0 comma 0. Actually you can use formula number 4 also, but this is the shortcut. Root x square plus y square. Example, find the distance of P3 comma 4 from the origin. Find the distance of P3 comma 4 from the origin. So one point is given. We need to find out distance of that particular point from the origin. So given Px3 comma 4, you know it lies in first quadrant Q1 because both are positive. Take the first number as x, second number as y. Then distance formula, distance equal to root x square plus y square. Distance formula root x square plus y square. What is x square? 3 square. What is y square? 4 square. 3 square how much? 9. 4 square how much? 16. Add 25. How to write 25? Root 5 square. Square root cancel. 5 answer. So that is distance of P3 comma 4 from the origin. That is about formula number 5. Formula number 6. Distance between two points. Distance between 2 points. First point Ax1 comma 0 and second point Bx2 comma 0 on x-axis is mod x2 minus x1. So that is the formula for distance between 2 points which lie on x-axis. Example, find the distance between first point A 3, 0 and B 4, 0 on x-axis. Find the distance between A 3, 0 and B 4, 0 on x-axis. Solution. First point 3, 0, x1 value 3, y1 value 0, no need. B second point 4, 0. This is x2, this is y2. So y value is 0. Distance formula on x-axis, distance equal to mod x2 minus x1. Mod x2 how much? 4 minus 3. Mod 1. Mod 1 how much? 1. So that is about distance between 2 points. First point ax1, 0 and bx2, 0 on x-axis, mod x2 minus x1. Then seventh one, distance between 2 points. First point 0, y1, 0, y1 and second point 0, y2 on y-axis. On y-axis is mod y2 minus y1. Mod y2 minus y1. What is the use of modulus? Modulus convert negative into positive because distance never be negative. If you are getting negative answer, modulus converts that negative into positive. Then example, find the distance between first point 0, 3, 0, 3, second point 0, 4, 0, 4 on y-axis. Then first point A given, A first point 0, 3. This is x1, y1. x1 value 0, y1 value 3. Second point B 0, 4. This is x2, y2. So x2 value 0, y2 value 4. Then distance formula, distance on y-axis equal to mod y2 minus y1. On y-axis distance formula, mod y2 minus y1. Mod y2 how much? 4. y1 how much? 3. Mod it becomes 1. Mod 1 becomes 1. So those are the 4 formulas belongs to distance. First 3 formulas belongs to slope. Slope m number 1, slope m equal to tan theta, tan for tangent, theta for inclination, angle. Number 2, slope of the straight line. Slope of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is m equal to minus a by b. Third one, slope of 2 points. Slope of ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Fourth one is what? So 3 formulas about slope completed. Formulas very important. Every problem there is formula. There is no problem without formula. So fourth formula very important. 7.1 belongs to distance formula. Distance between first point 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root must x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is distance or length. Distance or length same formula. Then next one, distance of px comma y from the origin. I want to find out distance of px comma y from the origin. Root x square plus y square. Shortcut formula for distance. Or you can use the same formula, fourth one also. But this is the shortcut formula, root x square plus y square. Then Next one, distance between 2 points ax1 comma 0 and bx2 comma 0 on x-axis is mod x2 minus x1. Then last formula about distance between 2 points a 0 comma y1 and b 0 comma y2 on y-axis is mod y2 minus y1. So those are the formulas belongs to slope and distance. 7.1 completely distance formula. So there is no problem without formula. So read formulas every day, and you better to write each and every formula 5 times. And you read while writing. At the time of writing, you read also and try to get the formulas by next class. In the next class, we continue the remaining formulas. Thank you, students.